Morning guys! Yan, ready na tayong umalis. Nakabihis na tayo. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng hairbrush. So, ayan. Nag-blower lang ako ng konti. So, ayan yung ating outfit today. Rubber shoes because I know we're gonna walk a lot. Yan, nabili ko to sa guys, sa Dick's. And then ito dadalhin ko rin, of course, just in case. Let's go guys. Let's gonna start our day. So right now it is 9 o'clock. Bumangon ako mga 8:30 na. Kasi parang naantok pa ako. Akala ko makakatulog ako, guys. So dito tayo sa 4th floor. Maghagdan na lang tayo. Kasi yung sasakyan ko dito ko pinark sa may harap ng pinto dito sa baba. So I don't know the weather today, but it says it's gonna rain. So let's see. Ang ganda ng view guys, oh. Bili muna tayong kape and then tuloy-tuloy na tayong mag-drive papuntang south. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Bangor and then magdadrive tayo ng 1.5 hours, I think, papunta ng Belfast.
I don't know, but this I'm sure you're a tattoo on my heart.
Automatic shutdown tong ating sasakyan. They call that gas saver or something, or eco-friendly.
Gravity, but this love still feels like flying home to me. And if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit?
Tayong Starbucks, guys.
And if we're bound to break, then tell me why my heart's still holding on. 'Cause you're up in your head.
Yes, I would like to order the pumpkin spice latte. Thank you. Kailangan ko pala ayusin yung aking screen para makapag-video tayo. Kasi gagamit ako ng maps. Thank you, you too. Yeah, so it says guys, it's 45 minutes or I mean 42 minutes, but let's put it like an hour far away from here. So let's try our pumpkin latte. Okay. Oh my god. Sarap. Alright, let's go guys.
Wanna come down, come down. So if we need space, why can't I stay out your orbit? Was it written in the stars? I don't know, but this I'm sure of. You're a tattoo on my heart. Sometimes the things we love still hurt us, and I know it feels like defying gravity, but this love still feels like flying home to me. And if we need space,
parang nalulunod sa kasayahan. Yung parang alam mo yung parang ang first time na in love. Parang ganyan yung pakiramdam. Kaya naman pala yung mga artist, yung mga novelist, mga writer, book writers, yan, dito sila pumupunta. Dito sila nag-spend time para sa kanilang mga work. Alam niyo yung famous na writer si Stephen King? Yan, dito siya nakatera. So, look at that. Gosh, look at that, guys. I'm in a golden forest. Si Stephen King, marami siyang nagawang books. Yung kanyang books ay medyo parang nakakatakot siya, pero maganda. Marami siyang marami ding mga nagawang movie ng books niya. Yan. Pag sinearch nyo sa Netflix or Amazon, type niyo yung mga Stephen King movies. So dun sa city na pinanggalingan ko kanina, tawag doon sa town na yun is Bangor. So doon siya nakatira. Hanapin natin yung bahay. Kasi famous din yung bahay niya doon eh. Ang daming doon tumitingin sa bahay niya sa labas. Nagpi-picture ganun. Ayan. Ayan guys, today is gray day. Kasi in part talaga yung gantong weather talaga kapag fall ganyan. Kasi nga malapit na mag-winter. Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa Belfast, Maine. So ito yung ating view dito. Punong-puno yung tawag nito, yung parking doon sa taas, sa may pinaka main street. So dito tayo nag-park sa walang tao. Hindi ko nga alam kung libre yung parking dito o hindi. So, pero dito muna tayo kasi isi-search ko yung pupuntahan ko. Yan guys, umuulan. Maglakad tayo papunta sa downtown dun sa taas. Maghahanap ako ng windbreaker kasi siya, medyo windy ng konti tapos mabasa, umuulan. So tara, tingin-tingin tayo dito sa ilalim, sa may baba. Look at that color, guys. And guys, welcome to Belfast Port. Amoy na amoy yung dagat dito. Amoy seafood. Yan, kailangan kong kumuha ng video dyan. Yan guys, punta tayo sa Main Street. Tignan natin yung kanilang downtown. So yan guys, paakyat pala ito, nakakapagod, grabe. So salon. Alam niyo ba guys, dito everything is about lobster. Let's see this store here. That's nice. Can we go inside? Okay. Okay, so marami dito guys sa mga second hand store. Nice, ulan ng ulan. Guys, tingnan nyo yung nabili natin kanina. Oh, they have posters here. Oh, this is very good. And look. Let's see if we can find something for Hannah. Guys, ibang lakas ng ulan. Nakita ko yung taong nagdidilig ng halaman sa labas. Nakakatawa. Yan, gutom na tayo. Ang ganda ng mga store dito guys, as in. Yung babae dun sa store, may na-recommenda siyang seafood restaurant dito. Maganda daw. There you go. I think that's what it is. So working. Seafood restaurant. I don't know if that's what it is. Guys, look at that. How beautiful. Even if it's raining, man, the ambience is still nice.
Yeah, I'll just yeah, the key should be right there. Alright, take your dad's arm, that's the truck.
Burger.
Alright, let's do it.
So it's like just smaller pieces of the clam. Slice it, fry it.
Okay. And I'll take probably the scallops.
The scallops.
So bukas na tayo mag-lobster. So mag-shrimp na lang muna tayo. Scallops. Dito na yung ating drinks. sa binilan ko ng sombrero. Yung babae, binigyan ako ng paper bag. Ang ganda ng paper bag mo. So maraming ano dito, mga second-hand store. Tsaka mga handmade jewelries. And guys, yung ating food today, meron tayong coleslaw and fries. Look at that. This one. Kaon kita guys. Drive ako kanina, galing ng Camden. Din ako nag-video kasi nga, tingnan mo naman guys, grabe yung ulan. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Lincolnville. Ayan siya guys, nasa harap tayo ngayon ng tubig. Yari. So, ayan guys. Ano daw ito, historic place. Back time. No. Pupunta tayo dyan here in a little bit. Yan, sa ngayon, tinitingnan ko muna yung dagat. Enjoy ko lang.
Was it written in the stars? I don't know, but this I'm sure of. You're a tattoo on my heart. Sometimes the things we love still hurt us. And I know it feels like defying gravity, but this love still feels like flying home to me. And if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit? And if we're bound to break, then tell me why my heart's still holding on. 'Cause you're up in your head, and baby come down, it's obvious how my
And guys, nakabalik na tayo dito sa hotel. Ayan. Finally, nakabili tayo ng pajama kanina. Ganda. Ang cute. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute-cute niya. Oh, diba? Lobster. Look at that. Yan guys, nakaligo na rin tayo. Ayan. Grabe, yung ulan is buong araw. Ang lamig pa. So, yung tawag nito, parang sinisigmura ako. Sobrang lamig, tas maulan pa. So yung Belfast, yung pinuntahan natin kanina, ano siya, maganda yung, ano siya, maliit na town. Tapos, ano nga, may history siya na noong unang panahon. noong panahon ng British and American War. So, yun. Parang doon din yata may labanan. Parang ganun. So, nakalimutan natin magdala ng hairbrush. So, kamay na lang. Gusto ko pa sanang mag-drive kanina kaso grabe, wala namang hindi masyadong makita kasi gray and then lakas ng ulan, tapos sobrang traffic na nung hapon kasi ibang way yung dinaanan ko nung galing dito sa Bangor papunta ng Belfast kanina. Yun, parang countryside siya, mag-drive ka sa malayo sa kabihasnan, alam mo. Pero maganda yung kalsada nila. So, and then, nung pagbalik ko dito, sa main road ako dumaan. So, ayun. Pero maganda din yung kalsada. Kaso, hindi nga lang makapag-enjoy manood kasi nga nagdadrive ako. Baka madisgrasya tayo ba. Kasi ang traffic pa. Daming tao sa likod mo. Ayun. So, yeah. So, hindi ko alam. Check ko ulit yung weather para bukas. Gawa tayong ramen, guys. Nagutom ako. Mamaya ako natatapusin yung cake after ko kumain. So, gawa muna tayo yung hot water. Diyan naman yan. Paggutom, sarap kumain ng mainit na sabaw. Ang fork dito. Ito na yung ating noodles. Time to eat. Tara people, manyapon kita. Makaon kita guys. Higop muna sa pang.
Was it written in the stars? I don't know, but this I'm sure of. You're a tattoo on my heart. Sometimes the things we love still hurt us, and I know it feels like defying gravity, but this love still feels like flying home to me. And if we need space,
Good night guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
and if we're bound to break, then tell me why my heart's still holding on. 'Cause you're up in your head, and baby come down. It's obvious how my whole world revolves around you. So if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit?
All the things we used to do, like holding hands under the moon.